AVEEROS production module helps businesses efficiently manage their manufacturing processes, optimize resources, and streamline production operations. The utilization of the AVEEROS ERP production module offers numerous advantages for manufacturing businesses. One of them is automated workflows. AVEEROS production empowers employees by automating various manual production tasks, including scheduling, routing, and inventory management, thereby allowing them to focus on more strategic initiatives. Another important aspect is that AVEEROS production module ensures that the real-time data is accessible across all production aspects, empowering managers to make well-informed decisions and optimize operations effectively. With the AVEEROS ERP production module, businesses can ensure compliance with diverse regulations and standards, particularly those pertaining to safety and traceability. This capability assists manufacturers in adhering to standardized recipes, monitoring every stage of production, and ultimately enhancing product quality. AVEEROS ERP's production planning module is integrated with other modules such as sales, accounting, and inventory to provide businesses with a holistic view of their operations. This helps businesses to make better decisions about production and material planning and to improve their overall profitability. Benefits of AVEEROS ERP's production module: utilize historical and current data to predict product demand effectively. Simplify recipe, handling ensuring consistent production of high-quality products in adherence to established standards. Plan production schedules by aligning required materials and resources to fulfill customer demand promptly. Effectively manage production workflows and gain real-time insights into production advancement. Detect and address production bottlenecks promptly, enhancing overall operational efficiency. Optimize inventory levels, minimizing costs while ensuring products are available to meet customer needs. Please feel free to contact us at www.aveeros.com.